This is Reggie. I've done a couple videos of him. Reggie has been kind of worrisome about people, so I need to get him cleaned up a little bit. He was out last night, a little muddy out there. If you notice, as I move around him, I'm not sneaking around him, I'm moving deliberate like he's a broke horse. I want him to get used to me moving around normal. But I'm doing things like this to make him want to be with me, to make him want my contact. There we go, see him look at me. Make him want my contact, want to be with me, and to gain trust in me. He's shedding out. He's going to be itchy. That's just part of shedding out. So let's work on this for just a minute so that he wants to be with me. He wants the contact. And that's what he needs to learn. I don't know what he went through in the past, how he was treated, and it really doesn't matter. What made him this way doesn't matter. What matters is what we do to make him want to be around people. I don't like to feed treats to make him want to be around me. That doesn't make him want to be around me, that makes him want to be around the treat. I want him to want me because of what I'm doing here. This is a really good time of the year to be building a relationship with your horse. They're all shedding, and they all like to be shedded out. They all itch, so they like to be scratched. I hope we don't get a cold spell and he wish he had some of this hair back. See if he'll move over. There we go, good boy. If you remember before in the earlier videos when I asked him to move over, he was really stiff. But he needs to still listen to me on the ground and move around on the ground just like he does from the saddle. Move over. There, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That was nice that he turned around and looked. He's actually a lot looser than he was in the beginning. Really important to note that. He was giving me a lot of mixed signals before. He would lick his lips, but his body was real tight. And with the work that I've done with him, spending time with him, brushing him, making him more comfortable around me, his body has gotten looser. Still not as loose as I would like it to be, because I would like for him to be better about moving away from pressure when I ask. There, good boy. That one was nice. Just barely touched him that time. Good boy. So do you see the two parts that I'm doing here? The first part is the shedding. That gets him relaxed and gets him comfortable with me. And then the second part of that is I ask him to do something. Good boy. And reward him. Reward him with the shedding. Reward him with the scratching. This is how he's getting more comfortable around me, getting confidence in me. I want him to be confident in me, because if we get, even if he rides good, we get into a bind, I want him to have confidence in me that I'm going to make the right decision and help him out of that bind. He needs to have confidence in me as his leader. I've talked about that a lot. And something just as simple as this helps build that confidence. Good boy. Good boy. Building confidence and trust works really good this way. Doesn't work good by feeding them treats. This is Reggie. I'll put a link up top to the other videos that I've done with him. He's progressing really nice. Until next time, thank you for watching.